Hi, you have successfully hosted your product trials, but you are not sure that how to select the best entry or how to fill the nomination form. So don't worry, I am here to help you. You have to open the portal and click on the product trials continue button, and then you have to click on the nominate the best entry open form. After that, you have to fill your name and the Gmail address which you have registered for the program. Then click on the verify, and verification code will arrive in your inbox. So you have to fill it, and here we can see that the verification code is this. You have to copy and paste it here. Here we can see it is verified that this is our official Gmail address. Then you have to fill your GID, which you can also check from here, and like you can go to the my score option and check that what is your GID. So after that you have to upload at least three event media, screenshots, videos, or anything. But please make sure that all are under 30 MB. After that, you have to upload the product trial session recording. Uh, Please make sure that you upload the recording for the link for the video, not for the folder or anything. And also, please double check or make sure that it is accessible for all, that anyone can link access it. After that, you have to click on these two check boxes, and you have to now give the entry details of the best page or the like your nomination which you want to nominate, the participant name, participant Gmail address, and you have to like here upload the link for the Google document. You can double check it from here that is it correct or not. You have to paste it here, and you can check that yes, the Google Docs is opening. After that you can, after that you have to upload like the poster which is created by the best entry, and you have to upload it here, and then you have to like share the Gemini chat link where the participant brainstorms the pitch and the concept and the poster mainly. And at last you have to fill that best entry detail, that why the entry is best, like everyone voted for it or anything. Then you have to fill the event insights, that how was the event, what are the overall ratings and everything, how engaged were participants. So that's totally up to you. After that you have to fill the reactions, reflections and follow up, that what is the feedback on Nano Banana, if you faced any challenge or like ideas, suggestions or request to the team. And then you just have to submit the post event form. And if you are having any other doubts regarding the Google Student Ambassador Program task, so you can definitely check other videos in the channel also. Thank you.